Settle down and listen up, class. Exciting news today. It's only a few weeks until Galaxy Gala, and all space schools will be taking part. This year's competition is to build your very own galaxy. And what you lot will like is that we can put in anything we want.
Building our own galaxy? Cool. Can we put in my space beetles?
What about a football pitch? Everyone loves football.
Yeah! Okay, not everything you want. Our galaxy must contain the building blocks that make up real galaxies. Things like planets, stars, and nebulas.
But those things are massive. How can you build a galaxy anyway?
In our space labs here at Deep Space High, of course. So, who would like to start off by telling us what a galaxy is? Well, that's not a very good start. It might help if we take a quick tour. Sit down and put your space belts on. Let's start with the solar system. You'll know this one, Sam, because it's what your planet exists within. Here we are, close to the sun.
Cool. Or should I say, hot stuff.
I should have bought my sunglasses.
Suns are orbited by planets, moons, and asteroids, as well as comets, too. That's what makes up a solar system. Keep an eye out for more planets as we race to the edge of this solar system. There's 8 in total here.
Here's a joke for you. What kind of songs do planets like to sing?
I don't know.
Neptunes.
Look, there's Mercury, Venus, and your home, Earth. Wave as we go by, Sam.
Hi, Mom. Bye, Mom.
The solar system is part of a much bigger collection of stars, planets, and other matter. And that's what a galaxy is. Let's travel out further to see what it looks like. Space belts on again, and that means the space beetle too. Impressive, isn't it? We're hovering millions of miles above the Milky Way. That's the name of the galaxy we live in. Your solar system, Sam, is buried deep in there, too tiny to see.
Wow, the galaxy looks like a giant white spiral.
Miss, the galaxy I come from isn't a spiral, it's a triangle.
Yeah, right.
It's no joke, Sam. Galaxies aren't all spiral-shaped. Some are elliptical, that's sort of smooth and oval-shaped. And some are irregular, odd shapes. So you could have a triangle-shaped galaxy.
Told you.
Don't spit, Quark. Anyway, as you can see, there are millions of stars, planets, dust, and gas all held together by gravity. And that's a galaxy.
So, is that the same as the universe then?
No, nowhere near. This is just one galaxy. The universe holds hundreds of billions of galaxies, each with trillions of stars inside.
Wow.
If you could look at the entire universe at once, it would look like a giant spider web made up of all those billions of galaxies slowly spinning around each other. The universe is a big place, about as big as it gets. Right, it's time to get back to class. Whew, that was a bit of a bumpy landing, which would probably explain why I have a space beetle in my hair. Quark, is this yours?
Sorry, miss.
Pop him back in his box. I think he's dizzy. So, class, now we know what a galaxy is, we can start deciding what to put in our very own creation. Time's up for today. Next time we'll be finding out more about planets.
Deep Space High, the Galaxy Gala with the Royal Astronomical Society, advancing astronomy.